How to burn belly fat while sleeping. 8 proven strategies to boost fat loss even at rest. We all know that the key to getting lean and staying lean is a combination of a proper diet, regular exercise, and good habits. But what if I told you that there's a way to make the process even easier by enhancing your body's ability to burn fat while you're at rest, specifically while you're sleeping? It may sound too good to be true, but it's absolutely possible to burn more belly fat while you sleep, and today I'm going to share 8 scientifically backed strategies that can help you do just that. The human body spends about a third of its life asleep. So imagine if we could maximize fat burning during those hours. The good news is you can. While it won't be a miraculous weight loss solution on its own, with a few changes, you can indeed boost your metabolism during sleep and accelerate your fat loss goals. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. 1. Have a casein protein shake before bed. One of the easiest ways to support fat burning during sleep is by having a casein protein shake about 30 minutes before bed. Although the increase in metabolism may not be drastic, it's still a valuable strategy that can give your metabolism a small but significant boost. Casein, a slow-digesting protein found in dairy products, has been shown to have positive effects on fat burning even while you're sleeping. 2. Lift weights or perform high-intensity exercise. Another effective way to burn more calories while you sleep is by engaging in weightlifting or other high-intensity workouts. These types of exercises trigger a phenomenon known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, or the afterburn effect. When you perform high-intensity exercise, your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate even after you've finished your workout. The energy required to repair muscle tissue, replenish glycogen stores, and remove waste products from your muscles causes your metabolism to remain elevated for hours, sometimes even up to 2 days after your workout. It's worth noting that the intensity and duration of your workout influence how long the afterburn effect lasts. For example, the harder and longer you train, the more calories you'll continue to burn post-workout. Similarly, compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses tend to produce a greater afterburn than isolation exercises like bicep curls or tricep extensions. This is because compound movements engage multiple muscle groups, leading to greater muscle damage and a higher energy expenditure during recovery. Additionally, resistance training has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body will be better able to manage blood sugar levels. This is important not just for fat loss, but also for optimizing your metabolism and supporting your body's ability to utilize nutrients efficiently. 3. Drink more water. One of the simplest and most effective ways to boost fat burning while sleeping is to drink more water throughout the day. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolic rate, as water is involved in numerous metabolic processes within the body. When you're dehydrated, your body's ability to digest food, absorb nutrients, and transport essential compounds is compromised, which can lead to a sluggish metabolism. In addition, dehydration can trigger hormonal imbalances that affect your appetite and metabolism, potentially causing your body to conserve energy and burn fewer calories while at rest. On the flip side, drinking enough water can improve your body's ability to burn fat. One phenomenon known as the thermic effect of water, TEW, suggests that your body uses a small amount of energy to heat the water you drink to body temperature, which slightly boosts your metabolic rate. Though the calorie burn associated with TEW is minimal, every little bit helps. Moreover, drinking water before meals can increase feelings of fullness, potentially reducing the total amount of food you consume. Some studies have shown that people who drink water before eating tend to eat fewer calories, which can lead to a reduction in overall daily calorie intake. Over time, this can have a significant impact on fat loss. 4. Ensure your thyroid is functioning optimally. Your thyroid plays a key role in regulating your metabolism. Thyroid hormones, particularly T3, control your body's thermogenesis, the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. If your thyroid isn't functioning optimally, your metabolic rate can slow down, making it harder to burn fat. To support thyroid function, it's important to ensure you're getting enough iodine, which is crucial for the production of thyroid hormones. Unfortunately, many people are deficient in iodine, as up to 35% of the global population does not get enough of it in their diets. One of the easiest ways to get more iodine is by using iodized salt in place of regular salt. Additionally, zinc and selenium are two other micronutrients that play a role in the conversion of thyroid hormone T4 into its active form, T3. These nutrients can be found in foods like oysters, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Zinc is also lost through sweat, so athletes and people who exercise regularly may need to pay extra attention to getting enough of this important mineral. By ensuring that your thyroid is functioning optimally, you can support your body's natural fat-burning processes and ensure your metabolism remains efficient. 5. Take a cold shower before bed. Cold exposure is another way to stimulate your metabolism and boost fat burning, particularly by activating brown adipose tissue, BAT, or brown fat. Brown fat is a special type of fat that burns calories to generate heat, which helps regulate body temperature. This is different from regular white fat, which stores energy. Taking a cold shower just before bed can help activate brown fat, leading to an increase in calorie expenditure. The best way to trigger brown fat activation is to expose areas of your body that contain the most brown fat, such as your neck and shoulders. Although the calorie burn from a single cold shower might not be enormous, the effects can add up over time if done consistently. In addition to helping with fat burning, cold showers also have benefits for sleep. They can improve sleep quality by lowering your core body temperature, which signals to your body that it's time to wind down. A cool shower before bed can help you fall asleep faster, ensuring that you get the high-quality rest your body needs to support fat loss. 6. Lower the temperature in your bedroom. Speaking of temperature, another easy way to burn more calories while you sleep is by adjusting the temperature in your bedroom. Studies have shown that maintaining a cooler sleep environment, typically between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15-20 degrees Celsius, can lead to subtle increases in calorie burn during sleep. This cooler temperature forces your body to work harder to maintain a stable core temperature, leading to thermogenesis, the process of burning calories to generate heat. The increased calorie expenditure from thermogenesis can help you burn additional fat while you sleep. Moreover, a cooler environment has been shown to improve sleep quality, which is essential for overall health and fat loss. 7. Prioritize getting enough sleep. This brings us to one of the most important factors when it comes to fat burning during sleep: getting enough rest. Quality sleep is critical for metabolic function, and insufficient sleep can interfere with your body's ability to burn fat. When you don't get enough sleep, your hormone levels are disrupted, leading to increased levels of ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates hunger, and decreased levels of leptin, the hormone that signals fullness. This hormonal imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain, particularly around the belly area. Sleep deprivation also makes it harder for your body to regulate insulin levels, which can negatively affect your metabolism. People who consistently get less than 7 hours of sleep per night are more likely to experience weight gain and even obesity. Getting adequate sleep, on the other hand, supports a healthy metabolism by promoting balanced hormone levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Sleep also plays a key role in regulating cortisol, estrogen, and testosterone levels. Elevated cortisol and estrogen levels can lead to increased fat storage, while higher testosterone levels help with fat burning and muscle growth. To maximize fat burning during sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Not only will this help regulate your hormones, but it will also ensure you're well rested and energized for the next day, so you can burn more calories throughout the day as well. Conclusion: combining these strategies for effective fat loss. While each of these strategies can help increase your metabolism and support fat burning during sleep, it's important to remember that they work best when combined with a proper diet and regular exercise. Simply adding one or two of these methods into your routine will not automatically melt away belly fat, but when combined with healthy habits and consistency, these strategies can significantly speed up the fat loss process and help you achieve a leaner, more toned physique. Remember, the goal is to create sustainable habits that support your body's natural fat-burning potential, not rely on quick fixes or extreme measures. Fat loss is a journey, and every small improvement you make can lead to lasting results. Incorporate these proven methods into your daily routine, and you'll not only improve your sleep and overall well-being, but you'll also be giving your body the tools it needs to burn fat and maintain a healthy metabolism, even while you're sleeping. Stay committed to your fitness goals, be patient with the process, and watch the results unfold over time. If you found this video informative, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any future videos.